ગુજરાતનું ગિફ્ટ સિટી આજે બ્લોકચેઇન ક્રાંતિનું સાક્ષી બન્યું છે. 11 ફેબ્રુઆરીએ ઇન્ડો-સ્વિસ બ્લોકચેઇન ફોરમ 2026નું સફળતાપૂર્વક સમાપન થયું. રાષ્ટ્રીય રક્ષા યુનિવર્સિટી અને IFSCAના સહયોગથી યોજાયેલા આ કાર્યક્રમમાં ભારત અને સ્વિટ્ઝરલેન્ડના દિગ્ગજ નિષ્ણાતોએ ક્રિપ્ટો ફોરેન્સિક્સ અને નાણાકીય સુરક્ષા જેવા ગંભીર વિષયો પર ચર્ચા કરી. IFSCAના પ્રવીણ કામત અને ટેરેઝાઓના શાન ઝવેરીએ બ્લોકચેઇનના વધતા વ્યાપ અને એસેટ ટોકનાઇઝેશન અંગે મહત્વની આંતરદૃષ્ટિ શેર કરી હતી. આ ઐતિહાસિક સંવાદ ભારતને વૈશ્વિક ફાઇનાન્શિયલ ટેકનોલોજીમાં નવી ઊંચાઈઓ પર લઈ જશે.
My name is Claudio Tesone. I am professor of blockchain and distributed ledger technologies at the University of Zurich, and I am also the chairman of the Blockchain Center of our university. I was very delighted to receive the invitation from RRU to hold this first forum between India and Switzerland, because what we are seeing is a very rapid development of blockchain applications here in this country. However, one thing that is important, and it happens all around the world, is that there is a very low level of education in the general population, but also at the level of regulation and at the level of even the industry itself. And I think that India is taking a very important steps towards bringing the knowledge of blockchain and developing applications on top of this with the highest standards, because regulation, governance is fundamental in this space. In terms of that, RRU is also a very important player here in India, and actually in our network of collaborations, we hope that will be the case in the future years, because they are also bringing the connection with law enforcement agencies that can leverage tremendously on the transparency that blockchain brings to limit the different levels of either financial fraud or being able to trace how funds are being transferred by illegal activities.
I'm a director of School of Applied Science, Engineering and Technology at Rastriya Raksha University. So currently I'm looking after the Indo-Swiss Blockchain Forum, and one of the primary member of this Indo-Swiss Blockchain Forum.
So what is this conference about, and what MOU you are going to sign?
So basically in Indo-Swiss conference, the main aim is to come together between two giant, Indo and Switzerland, and discuss about the plethora of technology, especially the focus on blockchain technology. Along with that, how Indo-Swiss experts come together and discuss about academic regulatory system, digital finance, and how emerging challenges and technology in blockchain perspective.
So who have participated and how many participants are there?
So total we have received 65 participants across the country. So if specifically I am talking about the organizations like SEBI, RBI, IPSCA, NSE, BSE, PFRDA, and many more regulatories, and certain academic institutions as well.
So how it's going to be helpful to them?
Definitely, this is a kind of a platform where three kind of peoples are together: academia, industries, and the actual field perspective, like SEBI, and they are the actual players who are giving the live problems what is going on inside that institutions, and the foreign experts like Switzerland, they have an established policy, so they can answer those questions. So that way, this forum is a best brain engagement.
So what are the plans about RRU? Future plans?
So RRU is now deliberately focused on the case studies discussed in that forum and making actionable insights how it can be executed in the future.